Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Again, want to thank you guys for the support on the channel. If you like the content, if you like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. As you can see here, I have Ford pulled up. And today I'd like to talk about Ford as it has an ex-dividend date coming up on the 20th on Friday. So essentially, if you have not picked up this stock yet or don't have this in your portfolio, you can buy this Monday through Thursday up until the 19th. All you need to do is hold the stock at the start of trading on the 20th. If you do that, you'll qualify for the dividend. Then you can sell the stock off on the 20th or thereafter, still pick up that dividend. And the current dividend is about 5% or so. You can see in the statistics here, dividend yield displaying as 4.946%, but the dividend yield currently is a little bit higher than that because the stock price has come down since that dividend payment. Same dividend, lower stock price will equal a higher dividend yield with regards to percentage return of money. PE ratio is always very good for Ford, very good for this particular market industry, 12.593. And again, Ford is a very large cap company, $48.89 billion. It's a large cap blue chip company with a great dividend yield. One of the best types of stocks to invest in my opinion. If we go up to the top here, you can see Ford has been having a very good past couple of months here, up at 1.7 to 8%. Prior to that, 5% or so. It has come back a bit here over the last week, 2.35% in the red. But I still think Ford is a very good stock to jump into. And you can do a lot of different things with Ford. You can do some day trading with Ford, some swing trading with Ford. You can do a dividend capture with Ford, or you can hold it for the longer term as well. Again, it's a large cap company, a blue chip company with a great dividend yield. So it would make an ideal buy and hold stock as well. So lots of different ways to play the stock. And you can see over the last 5 years, it's only up 47.37%. In the face of record profits, Ford sells millions of cars per year. They have record profits in the billions of dollars, literally profits in the billions of dollars. But yet the stock is down a bit here, 47.37%. I think a lot of that was pessimism with regards to Ford's leadership. They have since changed that leadership. They have been switching over to electrification of their fleet, really been focusing on autonomous car technology. They recently bought a startup company that is working on software to make that happen. So I think Ford is going in the right direction, and I think others are kind of jumping on board as well. And I think that's what's really accounting for this nice little peak here at the end, which again, you can further see that here. 1 point below $11 before jumping up to $12.40 or so. A very good return. So I've been making some very good profit on swing trades, day trades, some dividend capture, as well as just overall capital appreciation. You can see in the middle there, total return is up 8.37%, but unfortunately, Robinhood is a first in, first out. I've kind of accounted for some of the day trades and swing trades on my own Excel spreadsheet. So if I take into consideration the price when I first bought this stock, that percentage is actually more like 15 to 16% overall return, which is phenomenal. Not to mention all of the day and swing trades that I get in and out of while doing a lot of these different trades here. And another thing to kind of point out as well, the news within Robinhood is kind of biased. A couple of months ago, everybody was saying Ford on Robinhood here is the worst company to invest in. It's a terrible company. Don't throw your money into Ford. And then after the stock starts trending up, all the articles are coming out saying Ford is a great investment, great dividend yield. The leadership that they currently have in place is phenomenal. So don't really trust any of that news. I just know that Ford has been doing very well for my portfolio. And again, it has a lot of different ways to trade. You can do dividend capture, day trading, swing trading, and you can do it also a buy and hold strategy. So it's got a lot of appeal for different types of investors. So again, the whole point of this video was to alert you guys with the upcoming ex-dividend date. Again, the ex-dividend date will be on the 20th on Friday of this week. You can buy Monday through Thursday. Just hold at the beginning of trading on the 20th, then you can hold, or then you can sell off on the 20th. A lot of investors don't know that you can actually sell off on the ex-dividend date and still get the stock. That's the whole point of why they call it the ex-dividend date. It's the first date, it's trading ex-dividend. So if you've held it prior to that day, you get the dividend, and then you can sell off on the ex-dividend date because, again, that's the first day, it's going ex-dividend. So that's the whole point behind that terminology. So I'm going to be jumping in probably with some more shares. I like the price currently, $12.05. I really think this is probably a $13 to $14 stock. But again, I'm holding for the longer term. I have a very large position, as you guys know if you followed with the portfolio, 42.25 with regards to shares. Equity value just under $51,000. So that's what I'm doing with the portfolio. Again, just wanted to alert you guys to the forward ex-dividend date coming up on the 20th. Payment date will be December 1st. And a lot of viewers have also asked, why doesn't the dividend show up directly after I buy the stock on or before the ex-dividend date? And that's because it typically takes about a week or two before Robinhood will show you guys in your balance that dividend is pending. And then when the payment date does come, it may take a couple days before that is actually credited to your account. But I've never had any problems with Robinhood with regards to dividends. Sometimes the dividends do show up a little bit late, but if you hold on the day of trading on the 20th, so you have to buy the day prior on the 19th or anytime this next week, if you hold until the ex-dividend date, you sell off on the ex-dividend date or thereafter, you'll still get that dividend. So yeah, just wanted to talk about forward here, and kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. Definitely appreciate the support. And until next video, we'll see you then.